Welcome to another edition of Selling Life and Annuities. I'm Randy Pierson, Vice President of Life and Annuities for Board Marketing. And with me today, I've got Brady Doppler, our Associate Director of Medicare Supplement and Senior Life Sales. And we're going to be talking to you, surprise, surprise, about the Medicare event that you as a life or annuity agent should be sure to attend. So stay tuned. All right, Brady. A lot of our viewers, right, our typical life and annuity agent viewers are generally speaking not accustomed to hearing us talk about Medicare, but we've got this great event coming up right around the corner that they should attend, and it's called
the AEP Kickoff event, and it is on August 11th in Carmel, Indiana. It is usually our biggest event of the year. Many of you, if you're familiar with Gordon Marketing and you may be local here in the Indianapolis area, we do them every year. We do an AEP Kickoff event and a Life and Annuity Expo, usually at the same spot. The AEP Kickoff event, usually agents get the most bang for their buck there because it's such a wide array of agents. It's not just a life and annuity focused. We're going to touch on everything at this event. Yeah, absolutely. And it will be at the Marriott Renaissance in Carmel, Indiana. Where we've had it the last several years. So if you're accustomed to coming to our AEP Kickoff, same venue, same location, same general time period, 8:30, 9 o'clock till 4 o'clock-ish. And as Brady just mentioned, I think this year, perhaps more than any other year, you're going to get some really good Medicare information, but also how Medicare can have a positive impact on your life and annuity sales. And not the least of which, from an aid in writing life insurance, is this new Medicare Supplement Final Expense Combo we rolled out recently, right? Called? It's with American Home Life, with the TPA being Aetna, and it's the Patriot Series product. So you're going to hear things such as that, new products we're releasing, sales tips, sales strategies, and guest speakers who have a million years in the business, like this guy over here. You're going to hear a lot of good things at the event, but with specifically, teaming up with these new products. Whenever there's a new product released and we do a big event like this, there are usually reps there, right? Mm-hmm. Carrier reps. And when I first started in the insurance business, it's nice to go and shake hands and meet people, and then you kind of forget their name and then you see them again. But I want to encourage everybody, if you do attend our event, please reach out to the reps. They are an extension of our team. So when you go and meet these reps from the carriers, get their business card. You can call these people. They are an extended resource for you, and we want to make that introduction for you. So please come to the event, hear about the new products, the sales scenarios, meet the carrier reps. It's going to be a ton of fun, and a ton of people are going to be there. So I'm really looking forward to it.
Well, look, and back to the basics too. The fact of the matter is that there's 10 or 12,000 seniors turning 65 every single day. And many of them have a myriad of needs, right? I mean, they may be retiring, looking for a place to move their 401k. They may have lost their benefit package, including their life insurance, and seeking a solution to that problem. But more importantly, every single one of them is going to have questions about Medicare. And if you're a life and annuity agent and you're not up to speed on what's going on in that space, you're really dropping the ball. You're losing a great conversational opportunity with one of the most affluent and ready to buy market segments out there. And this is an event where in one day you can get all the information you need on what's important heading into open enrollment and 2023.
Yeah, if you're a life insurance, life or annuity agent, and you haven't already kind of seen the signs of the trends that are going on in the market right now, this event will definitely enlighten you. But keep your eyes and ears open. Like, if you are not in that Medicare space yet, it is becoming ever so easier and easier each month that goes by to get into this space. They are, they're making it so easy for us to earn additional income instead of just selling life and annuities. Come to the meeting, learn about how easy it is to get into the Medicare space, and we want to help you.
Absolutely. And let's not forget to talk about the fact that should you choose to participate and engage in the Medicare space, It's an entirely new and very lucrative income stream, revenue source for you and your practice. I talk to a lot of experienced life and annuity agents who say, Medicare, I just don't know what I really want to get involved because there's no money in it. And that's really short-sighted. Why short-sighted? Because yes, maybe the commissions are a bit smaller on the front end, but unlike life and annuities, you're going to generate a very nice renewal stream. And as long as you maintain that relationship with the client, that renewal stream will continue to put cash and revenue in your pocket indefinitely into the future.
Certainly.
So a lot of positives as to why you, A, might want to consider getting involved in Medicare sales, and B, at a minimum, attend our AEP Kickoff, which once again is August 11th at the Marriott Renaissance in Carmel, Indiana. Certainly, if you're within driving distance, you have no reasonable excuse not to attend. But even if you're from other far-reaching parts of the country, I would encourage you to come to our AEP Kickoff because it's one of the best out there.
Yeah, please give us a call before you come. We want to have a name tag for you. We want to have a seat saved for you. We want to make sure that you get a goodie bag. So please give us a call. You can give myself or Randy Pierson a call or your internal marketer here at Gorda Marketing. We can get you on the list and be expecting you.
Absolutely. So listen, we're running out of time for this episode of Selling Life and Annuities, but I would like to ask you to do me a favor and subscribe at the bottom of this video so that, every time we roll out content, you'll make sure that you get a chance to see it. But for now, on behalf of Brady Doppler and myself, we want to wish you happy selling.